My dear students and my dear friends of class 2, today the topic is very interesting that the sex-linked inheritance in Drosophila and human beings. In human beings, the sex-linked inheritance, sex-linked diseases are present in X chromosome in a recessive manner. These are hemophilia, color blindness, and sickle cell anemia. In female, it is also present on X chromosome. In male, it is also in X chromosome. You know, X chromosome goes to daughter, not in son. So, that X chromosome, the disease, hemophilia disease, or sickle cell anemia, color blindness disease of the father does not go to son, but it can go to grandson through daughter. Because X chromosome of the father will go to daughter, and if daughter marries to a normal husband, their children may be having this disease, color blindness, hemophilia, and sickle cell anemia. The meaning of color blindness, only you can't distinguish between red color and green color. Otherwise, eyesight is okay. Sickle cell anemia, you know, our blood cells become sickle shaped, oxygen carrying capacity decreases. Hemophilia is a more critical disease in which there is no clotting factor and the bleeding is continuous if there is injury. So, this disease goes to grandson from father through daughter. This is called criss-cross inheritance. And very beautifully, I have made a checkerboard. I will give you diagram, you make it. So, with pen, I will show, I will give you diagram. This is, I think you will be clear. Father having X chromosome, H hemophilia. H hemophilia from father, it will go to daughter, H, and from daughter, that will go to grandson, because X chromosome of father does not go to son, it goes to daughter only. It goes to daughter only because son gets the Y chromosome. This is criss-cross inheritance. Very good question. There are many points of the criss-cross inheritance. Male are more prone to criss-cross inheritance than female. If the gene is present only one X chromosome of the female, the mother is carrier. If it is present in 2X of the mother, then the character will be shown. Otherwise, the mother is carrier if the gene is present in only single X chromosome of the female. In other hand, father, male has only one X chromosome. Only one X carries the male shows the disease. Male suffer more than female. Male is not carrier. Male has chromosome, have gene or chromosome, gene on the chromosome of the X. So that is committed to be carrying the disease. Female has 2X chromosome. If gene is present on 1X, that is mother is carrier. If it is present in both the X's of the female chromosome, so then the criss-cross inheritance is shown. Very interesting topic. You see the diagram and you make it and study. This is a homework of today. Criss-cross inheritance, make the diagram and explain. Then other very beautiful term on your book, that is gynandromorph. Gynandromorph is bilateral gynandromorph and horizontal gynandromorph. Gynandromorph means left portion is of male and right portion is female. In India, there is a myth of God, Ardhanarishwar. That is the discrepancy of the genetic disorder by half portion is of male and half portion is female. They are called gynandromorph. Lateral gynandromorph, left and right portion, and anterior posterior gynandromorph means upper portion female, lower portion male, or upper portion male, lower portion female. That is called gynandromorph. That is genetic problem, genetic disease. Next very good term, genetic map. Genetic map means chromosomal map. The genes are present on chromosome in linear fashion, in a linear way, in a row, in a line. The graph of the genes on the chromosome is genetic map. I repeat, the graph of the genes on the chromosome, the genetic map. It shows that genes are present on linear manner on the chromosome. It has map unit. Map unit is showing by crossing over, possibility of the crossing over. The crossing over means the distant gene show more crossing over, and the nearer gene shows a linkage, and linkage and crossing over are opposite to each other. Then you can say crossing over is inversely proportional to distance. More the distance, directly proportional to the distance. More the distance, more crossing over. Less the distance from the center, less the crowd. You can say directly proportional. In physics, you mostly use the terms directly proportional or inversely proportional. Directly proportional means more the distance, more the crossing over. And crossing over and linkage are inversely proportional to each other. Very interesting. So locus of the gene, chromosome, linear way, they all show crossing over. Today's topic very interesting, criss-crossing inheritance. You give me answer on the paper. Yes, then gyne endomorph, interesting topic, and genetic map. Thank you. See you morning.